You cannot be happy and healthy in the matrix, because matrix doesn't teach you the way to personal happiness index. I am traveling in Pokhara, and soon you will experience the miracles of nature around. But before that, this message is important for you. Why I left the matrix and what was my reason to not become the herd and be the lion who I am right now. If you want to progress in your personal journey of Kundalini, then you have to take personal responsibility. First of all, the responsibility of being healthy. First of all, your brain should work the highest, and this is the benefit that I got from traveling regularly, continuously, and now traveling is my way of life. I travel every day, I move every day, because Kundalini herself, the life force in you, is the evolutionary energy which is traveling continuously. So while I guide you towards the secret, you can enjoy the hill view, the mountain view of the Himalayas out there. You may see the vastness of the Himalayas, the blue sky, the green mountains, and the rawness of Pokhara. Everything is coming alive due to the high quality of air and the bright sunny day. You may feel like why you are sitting like at home and becoming a non-performing asset to yourself. If you want to get the highest return, then you have to invest in your life to the highest extent. Investment in self is the best investment, and I have invested in the happiness and health personally. This is the ideal life, what you can ask for. The sun is shining brightly, the blue sky is visible, white clouds, greenery around, everything is shining. And maybe I will be able to show you how fresh I feel when I am exploring all of this. All this cannot happen on its own. You have to take the initiative, you have to come out of your home, you have to participate in life. If you keep on doing the same thing again and again, you will get the same results. But if you want to bring a change in your life, you have to introduce consciousness into your life. Without consciousness, there is no life. The life response in you when you introduce the element of awareness and the element of consciousness in your life. Nobody will teach you consciousness. You have to experience it with your own investment of time, money, and energy. You have to make yourself available to the present moment, to experience consciousness and to do things consciously. Your brain changes all your neural pathways, your neuroplasticity, when you attend to it in the present moment. You can change any behavior, any habit through changing your neuroplasticity. And neuroplasticity involves repeated doing the same thing if you are present to it. If you are absent, then nothing can be changed. So you need to understand the value of consciousness, your brain power, and how you can change your old patterns, your old habits by being present to life. First of all, you have to be present with your intention. Second thing, you have to pay attention to it. Where attention goes, energy flows and it grows. So my attention is right now going on in your teaching, and that is why I am able to teach you the highest even though I am traveling. This is not multitasking. This is actually sharing the energy that I am experiencing right now. The third point is of presence. Without presence, no neuroplasticity can be built. And the fourth point is, with your awareness, you see. Here comes the element of witnessing how you are operating. And the next most important point is conscious self. You have to be conscious in the present moment to enjoy everything that you are doing right now. If you have paid the intention, attention and presence and your awareness to something, then without your consciousness you cannot change the pathways. So as you feel this abundance, understand that I have created the pathway to travel. I have created the pathway to travel by doing it again and again. Each time I am present to life. Each moment I am changing the pathway of stuckness of old life, and that I have been doing for a decade now. And ever since I have been doing, my life is beautiful. My life is in abundance. My life is growing, and I am growing from life. If you want your life to grow, if you want your evolution to happen, you have to expose yourself to different environments, and traveling makes it possible for you. What I do when I travel, I take the modern vehicles to reach a place, but after that I move my body. I walk daily for 7 to 8 kilometers and sometimes 10 kilometers. I do hiking, I do all kinds of movement of the body, including all the instinctive and basic functions of life. And all this is possible because my brain gives me the dopamine boost and the testosterone boost, which is much required to feel this outward movement. And in the Kundalini's journey, my Pingla Nadi gets activated when I expose myself to all these natural elements. As you can see, I have come much higher on the mountain top, and from this mountain top I am going to hike today towards that place, as you see, which you may be able to see in some other video. But this is my life. I am showing you how I am investing in my life daily, regularly, continuously. In a way, this is the life of the vagabond that I am living, and this vagabond life is a classy vagabond which I have created. I am the first and the most powerful vagabond who has become the creator on this journey, and it is rewarding me immensely. Can you see the brightness of nature because of the sun's presence? So before I go, I just want to send you the message that everything is possible with your consciousness. And now I have reached a place, which is called Methlang, and here my next journey begins. Thank you and bye-bye.